Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 4 the last comment share this video because it's amazing. Look at that. This is Windows E 5.1. Can you see this? Note9 ROM 3.1. This is what I have installed on my phone, bro. You can watch the previous video to see how to install this. You can see more information about this. Windows E 5.1, Android 13, good. Note9 ROM 3.1, yeah. Good. Android security patch level February 1st, 2023. This is a brand new ROM, the last ROM right now. But that ROM I want to test. I want to test the preview version of this ROM on my phone. Okay, just to see if it's working. I have tried to install this, but I meet problem. My friend, my subscriber give me solution that I want to try again for this ROM just to see if it's working on my phone. You can see this ROM is here. Note9 ROM 3.0 beta. Okay, this is what I want to install. The link in the description also. First of all, you need to have this ROM. Okay, and the above fields what you need, you can see here: universal cleaner and repetitioner. You need to have above fields. The link in the description. Don't worry, you can have it. Now, let's turn off this phone quickly and go on TWRP to try to install this amazing ROM just to see, just to test. Okay, nice. Now, if you install TWRP on your phone, on your Samsung S9, S9 Plus, or Note 9, because it's compatible for three devices. If you install TWRP, click on power button, busy button, and volume up. Okay, so busy button, volume up, and power button in the same time to access to TWRP. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Welcome. This is TWRP, what you need to install first. And after this, follow the instruction. Click on Web, format data, enter years, just like that. Validate this thing quickly. Okay, this is what you need to do. After it, go home, click on Reboot to Recovery, just like that. Welcome back on TWRP. Now, click on power button because you need to transfer the ball field to your phone using USB Type-C cable. Nice. As you can see, connected. Now, let me go on my device S9 Plus. You can see internal storage, and let's transfer the ball files directly here. It's so fast. Nice. Okay, let's try to install this. Now, let's see what you need to do. First of all, click on install. I have a ball files here. The first thing you need to install is universal repetitioner. Do this. Nice. Wait. You can see, don't forget to use cleaner zip. Finished. Rebooting, recovery, rebooting to recovery. Okay. Now is rebooting to recovery. This is normal, don't worry. Welcome back. Do this and do this. Nice. Now click on install again. As you can see, this file is not here. You need to transfer again the cleaner file, universal cleaner. Do the same thing. Connect your beautiful USB Type-C to transfer your file directly to your device. Internal storage. cleaner now. Put this here. It's okay. Disconnect your USB. Nice. Click on install. Now click on universal cleaner and do this. This is the next step. Perfect. Welcome back. Do this. Now close this screen. Power button. Connect again. You're beautiful. Use the Type-C again to your device because now you're ready to transfer. Now you are ready to transfer this ROM. Okay, this ROM number of 3.0 beta directly to internal storage. Okay. This is a new process to install Android 13 ROM. Nice. The transfer process continue. As you can see, almost finished. And okay. Now disconnect your USB cable. Okay. Take your phone. And now you are ready to install this ROM. You can install this ROM is here in the internal storage. Open everything. Open this ROM. Welcome. This is what you need to know about this ROM. This ROM is compatible for S9, S9 Plus, and Note9. I have Exynos version and cool. Now, if you're ready, let's go. You can see change log. You can see enable ROM 3.0 based on 1E 5.0. No problem. Let's install quickly. Clean install. Next. Good. You can make your choice. United Kingdom for me. Click on it. Advanced deployed. You can make your choice. Next. Do what you want. Everything. You can deploy feature what you want to get. You can see what you select will not get installed. Okay. What you select will not get installed. Okay. Click on next to see. You can see what you select will not get installed need. Click on next. What you select will not get installed need. Click on next. Next again, and let's see. You can see choose CSC tweaks to get applied. Nice. Call recorder, call blocking. Nice. Next. Okay, you will have root access. No. And what? Okay, good. Number one, put on mission. Next, and the session process start. Let's see what will happen here. You need 100%. Essential process, continue. For S9 Plus, you can see S9 Plus detected, good. Done. As you can see, click on next. Next again. Reboot system. Okay. Wow, look at what I can see here. And it's working also, seriously? The blue light is appear with significant value insertion process started. Yes! I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Don't forget to comment and share this video because it's amazing. Thank you. Yes, you can support our channel with YouTube Super Thanks or PayPal. The link in the description. Also, yes. Now wait a minute. Wait a few minutes. Five minutes or something for finishing of this installation. Just wait and wait. Okay, the bullet disappear and the installation process finished. Now let's start configuration. Can you see this? You can change your language here. United States. Okay. And now we can go for the configuration of this amazing home. Let me do this right now and get ready. Okay, you're all set up. Now go finish. Wow, look at how it's so beautiful. Can you see this, my friend? Very full. All your applications, everything is here for you. Let's go in settings. About phone, sort of motion. 1E5.0 Android 13 is here. Can you see this, my friend? Can you see this, bro? This is not a joke. You can see no ROM 3.0. Android security portable, January 1st, 2023. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Don't forget to comment and share and get ready for a test review of this ROM to see if it's working very well.